Good morning, students. So, today we will start chapter 6 of moral science book, that is living life honestly. Okay, so you might have heard the story of honest woodcutter. So, but we shall recall this story again. Okay, so we'll read this story again. The woodcutter used to get his daily earnings by cutting wood and selling it. One day, as usual, one day as normal, he went to the forest to cut wood. As he was cutting wood, his axe by mistake fell into the nearby river. He felt helpless and confused. Okay, so his axe fell into the river, and he was very helpless and confused. And he thought, how would he cut wood without the axe? And he thought, how I will cut wood without axe. In utter despair, he began to pray to God for help. Okay, so he was in utter despair. Utter despair means without hope. He was without hope. Suddenly, the god of water appeared before him with a golden axe. Is this your axe? Asked the water god. No, sir, it is not mine, replied the honest woodcutter. He said, it is not mine. The water god dived into the water and came up with a silver axe. He asked again the woodcutter, is this your axe? Sir, it's not my axe, said the woodcutter. Man is an iron axe. Okay, so water god first sold golden axe, then it sold silver axe. Now water god were very pleased at his honesty. He dived again into the river and came up with an iron axe. At once the woodcutter said, yes, that is mine. That is my loving that is my loving axe. The water god was so pleased at the sense of honesty of the woodcutter that he rewarded him by giving him all three axes. Okay, student. So soon this story spread like wildfire. A dishonest woodcutter who heard the story went to the same spot with his iron axe. He purposely threw his axe into the river and waited. The water god appeared with a golden axe and asked, is this your axe? Yes, said the man, it is mine. It just had slipped and fallen from my hand into the river. The god then showed him a silver axe and said, what about this axe? Is it your also? Oh, yes, it's mine, said the man. I had lost it a few days ago. The water god was very much displeased at the dishonesty of second woodcutter. The water god disappeared along with the axes. The dishonest man returned home, losing his axe also. So, students, an honest person is liked and respected by all. Everyone trusts him. His behavior is free from deceit. Okay, deceit means chalaki and untruthfulness. He does not cheat or steal. As an honest man is pure at heart. Our religion teaches us to be honest and truthful. The world's greatest religious leaders like Jesus Christ, Lord Buddha, Prophet Muhammad, Lord Mahavir, and Guru Nanak advocate the path of truth and honesty. Other great people like Socrates, Socrates was famous saint, philosopher, Galileo. What are philosopher? Philosopher are people who search for truth. Okay, Galileo was also searching for truth. Was famous scientist. Martin Luther King was a great politician leader. Uh, he freed black people. Okay, the black people in America did not have right to vote. Okay, so he gave them right to vote. Okay, then Mahatma Gandhi has set golden example of honest and truthful living. Okay, there is famous book of Mahatma Gandhi. Do you know my life, my experiment with truth? This is the uh, life biography of Mahatma Gandhi. Do you know what is biography of Mahatma Gandhi? That is my experiment with truth. Okay, my experiment with truth is is book by Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, he always spoke truth. You can see that it is autograph of Mahatma Gandhi. Next, so students, sometimes honest people are not immediately rewarded. Okay, some world leader and philosopher had to pay heavy price for being honest, like Socrates was murdered. Okay, and Mahatma Gandhi lived very simple life, not very pompous life. Martin Luther King was also, I think, murdered. So sometimes honest people are not immediately rewarded, but ultimately the honest people are the winners. A dishonest person, on the contrary, is trusted and liked by the society. He cheats and uses unfair means to achieve his goals. Dishonest people involved in all sort of malpractices. Okay, means wrong practices. Some children cheat in the examination. Some shopkeepers sell adulterated goods. Okay, means they mix bad things with goods. Okay, some of them even sell false and outdated medicine. It is a great crime to humanity. Such people may amass a lot of wealth. Okay, these people may generate. Okay, these people may generate a lot of wealth by cheating, but clever cheats always come to harm in the end. Okay, but uh, their ending is always bad. Those who cheats, maybe they will amass wealth for 5 years, 10 years, but ultimately what will happen, police will caught them, or they will be get murdered. So ultimately their end is bad, those who cheats. The sense of honesty has to be imbibed by a person from his childhood. Okay, honesty, when do you start being honest person? You must be honest person from childhood. It is learned by being respectful in small things. Those who learn the lesson of honesty in childhood grow up into honest man and woman. Okay, so you must start being honest from your childhood. We must be honest to our own selves, to the society, and above all to God. We may be able to cheat others and even be able to fool ourselves, but we cannot deceive God. Okay, we may cheat other people, we may cheat ourselves, but we cannot deceive. Okay, we cannot cheat God. He sees all our action, listen to all our conversations, and reads all our thoughts. Only an honest man can have real practice of mind and lead a happy life. As a life policy, honesty pays best. Okay, it is said that honesty is the best policy. Okay, it must be always kept, it must be always followed. So I will provide you answer of the question and you have to do true false. Okay, and students, in YouTube comment box, write about this topic. See, tell your friends. Okay, so tell in group, in WhatsApp comment your stories from your own life about how you acted honestly or dishonestly. Okay, was any time in your life when you acted honestly, or there was any time in your life when you acted dishonestly? Let me know, let us know in comment box. It will be very interesting when you will comment. Okay, so see you in next class.